Hey guys, so a friend asked me
So
to help them change the washer door gasket of their Samsung washer.
we just gotta
I'll
unplug
put
it
the
from the
part
back,
number down in the
and
description.
that's it.
So we took it out, we slid it out.
Remember
We took
the way
top, we took the dryer
we're
off
taking
the
stuff
top.
out.
I'll show you how we put it back on. I didn't record that part, but we took the top part of the washer just slides back and off,
This
and
part
then
might have
we
something in
remove
here.
those screws. We remove this soap thing.
Yeah, it's connected to something in there. Cause yours should just come up, like mine is, like, mine can come up, mine can go up and down.
I think I get it. I think it's these things, dude. Hold on.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, so we just pull this back a little. Okay, now it should come out. And up.
So after taking the screws off, I was still having a hard time taking that front panel
Oh, it's this
out.
one.
So I went to a YouTube video. It's a similar washer, a little bit different, but it still worked.
1, 2.
Once you have all 4 screws out, you can carefully rotate the console towards the front. And then we can disconnect the 2 wiring harnesses here.
All right, now we take these things out. Yep. Yeah, this thing down here.
Where do you put all your screws? Oh, man. On your side? Like a gray plastic.
Oh, I do see screws at the bottom, dude.
Your screws at the bottom?
There's 1, 2, 3.
But I don't. Oh, you gotta lift it.
What if we put it from the bottom?
Can't we just bend it back?
No, it's from the bottom, dude. And then pull it out. And up.
Bro,
All
I have
right.
no clue. It just felt like this. Unless.
All right, look right here.
So we're trying to take out this
There's a tight
ring that goes around the seal,
Three. Try to pull that off.
and we had to
There's no
remove
way for
this
us to get to
counterweight
Dude, 1, 2.
And there's
Three.
three. Or there's another
so
one.
we could have access to the screw.
You're gonna strip it. Yeah.
I think this is just like
So there's weight balancer. This is all.
Yeah.
Weight balancer. Yeah, I can hold it. It's just supposed to counterbalance. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is monstrous.
we need that ring. Oh, like this, so it goes here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, is it? Oh, we had a cut. This somehow added water from everywhere, just dripping out.
Oh, really?
Okay.
This thing's small.
So here we're trying to add the ring on
Wait.
the groove.
Put the
Wait, wow.
We're actually
let's put
doing it
Oh, see if it's
backwards.
the right size, because that would be insane if
We
it's
don't
not.
realize
it
till
looks like the right size.
Yeah.
later
sure
that we
would.
were installing it
I think
on
that's
the
it.
wrong drum.
And when the ring goes in here.
Also, it was
They take
upside down
Hold this. Put the
or
ring.
backwards. We had a good laugh, but I left that out.
Mm-hmm. You get it right.
Yeah, I think that.
I was sorry about the camera angle. It's always aiming low.
Cause you put it up. Bro, this thing's still not stretching, bro.
Just this piece right here goes on it, and then this goes on the inside. Like that. You see it?
I think so.
Let me see. That's cool, right?
Which ring is this?
That's the outer ring.
Where's the little? Yeah, like it is, right?
What?
The screw, like it is. Oh, yeah, it is going back.
It is tightening.
Huh. Huh. I'm not. You should be good.
Think it's tight enough?
Yeah, I think you should be good. What?
Oh, nothing. 1, 2, 3. Come back.
Oh my gosh. I can't see yours. Is that right?
The top one here. Okay, now
I don't remember that before that, but I'm gonna put this in. Alright, let's think this through. Hold on. Cause you got this part too, right?
so we okay, from the top to the top first, and then this thing wherever they came from.
We actually put this up.
So this door sensor, when we took out the door, it just flew out. So we were having a hard time putting it back in. But then we figured it out.
This is
Yo.
twice now.
Yo,
This is
bro.
twice. First we try to put the plastic thing on backwards.
Okay, it's cool now. From the top.
I'm watching your hand too.
All right, now is that little box.
Little box. Okay.
You see it? I don't know what that's for. It's in there?
Yeah, that's not going over you. I'll lift it. Oh, shucks. Oh, there we go. Never mind.
Oh, okay,
We're
cool.
good. Yeah.
Go like that.
So we were trying to use pliers to put this ring back on, but in the end, we just needed 3 hands.
Okay, no, this thing was like going in where?
Yeah, it was going in here.
Oh, and these things?
Yeah.
So to put in the pattern book
These?
on,
Yeah.
we took it off because we forgot 4 screws.
Here, let me see it. Let me see this thing. Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude. You... All right,
Drop it
here.
again and see.
No.
Oh.
Hold on.
Does it? Yes, look,
It goes in. Yeah, it's in here. Here's one. All right.
Alright, she's in there.
So this is how you take the door. It just slides in there. There are no screws. These frames are used to hold the dryer on top of the washer. You'll see.
Shucks.
You are hilarious.
That is insane, bro.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, why is that funny? Y'all
I don't know.
weird, bro.
Alright. Here we go.
Okay, hold on. Man, it fits. Hold on.
That silver part got bent. You see it?
Yeah, they always get bent.
So that means the lint that's supposed to go in there is probably.
What? No, that's how it is.
Bend that back. You bend that.
No, no?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on.
Alright, you ready?
No, hold on.
So we put it in the dryer back on
Alright,
top
I'm
of the
ready.
washer, and this
Two,
is the
three.
same way we took it off.
Okay, we're in. Push it back. Okay.
You so.
So after this, we just let the washer
Alright,
and dryer
now-
back in its hole. I asked them to do a test wash. There were no leaks.
That thing over there, hold
That
on.
was cool.
You good?
All right. Thanks for washing.